Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hangout with me in my kitchen space. As you know, my greens recipe, that is any kind of green vegetable recipe, the kales, the spinach, terere, and the likes. I like using just a few ingredients, and that's the greens, the cooking oil, some salt, and an onion. But today we have an extra ingredient, and that is some cream. This is natural cream. When you boil your whole milk, then it cools down. This is what you get. So I've been collecting this over time, and as you can see, it's very rich in fat. That's our extra ingredient, and I also have a seasoning cube. So in today's episode, let's prepare some creamy greens, and without further ado, let's get started. Once my pot is hot and dry, I'll go in with about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And once my cooking oil is hot, I'll go in with my onions. Once my onions start turning translucent, I'll go in with my greens. My greens were frozen and I did not have the time to defrost them. Then I'll give this about a minute or two so that they can defrost. By then we'll be halfway done. Then I'll go in with my seasoning cube. And I'm also going to add in my salt. Then I'm going to mix this, and remember, greens do not take very long to cook. 4 to 5 minutes are just okay. And my greens at this point are done, so I'm going to add in my cream. Then I'm going to let this blend in, and our meal is basically going to be ready. And just like that, our meal is ready. Always remember to salt your avocado. And as you see, it was that easy. So let's dig in. You can see how succulent this spinach is. This is good. Look at these juices. And that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you're going to try this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.